Okay, for this one now, this is actually something you upload. It's for fundamental analysis. So I want to know the P ratio, a peg ratio, price to book, dividend yield, earnings, this thing, just at a glance. It will help me pull it out. Then the scorecard. Based on this, it will score it from 1 to 5. Then comment. You will see how it's going to present it. Then pair. I want to compare this stock with other stock in the industry, industrial average, this one, just to make some decision. Then this also is another thing that it will pull out for me. Then the history for 5 years, I can pull out that and also look at it. Then stock, this is for liquidity risk. I want to see this threshold, you can actually change it. I only use, this is 5%. That's 5% of daily liquidity. That's what I want to buy. You see, it said save volume equals to AD, average daily trading volume, times liquidity threshold. So my liquidity threshold here is 0.05. You can decide to change it. So I want to know the average 30 days average volume, and this one will now tell me the volume I should buy in a day that will not affect the price of the stock. The way it works is this: if you buy too much, let's say you bought too much this today, if the stock is not that liquid, it will affect the price you are buying, because as you are buying, it will create that volume that will cause the stock to go up. So you are now buying at a higher price based on your own volume. That's what this thing is telling you. So if you buy something like 5% or less than 5% of the daily volume, you are not going to impact on the price of the stock. Your activity will not impact on the price of the stock. So this is what you just need. And in that same document that you will download, you will see this notepad. So in this notepad, what you actually need is here, upload the Excel file, this Excel file to ChatGPT, Copilot, or anyone that you want to use. Copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. So let me copy it. So if I copy it, all right, so when I copy it, what do I need to do? So for this, all we need to do is to upload the file. Download the file. This is the file we upload. Then we paste the prompt. So that prompt, what we just need to change is the date. We are now August. So we just change the date, 31st, to analyze the stock. Then the company name, you now change this. Let's say access, extract the this thing. I think those are the two things that you need to just change. The stock, then the date. So after doing that, just send it and wait for the response. So it will pull out all those information, is presenting it for me, and non-performing loan. These are his fundamental notes part. Then this is the strength, extreme cheap valuation. This is, so you read it. Overall recommendation is buy. I'll continue to work on this prompt. Then I will update. Then those people that bought, I will just send it to them every time I'm working on it till next year March or so. So any update I have, even on the Excel sheet, I will update.